Good day, class. So for our last topic in SSC124, so we have the module 12. It's about the importance of the applied social sciences. So at the end of this module, you are expected to identify the different effects of the applied social sciences processes to individual members of society, groups or communities, and to society in general. Analyzed how the applied social science changed or affected the lives of the people in the community itself, and the community in general. So the key question is, what are the effects of applied social sciences processes on individual members of society? So at the end of this topic, try to answer this key question. So this is lesson 2, effects of the applied social sciences. The importance of the applied social sciences can be explained by understanding its effects to the different sectors of society. Through the application of the theories, methods, and concepts from the social sciences, the applied social sciences provide significant benefits to individuals, groups, and society. The applied social sciences processes have different effects on various sectors of society. The use of the different theories, concepts, methodologies from the social sciences provide benefits to individuals, groups, and the society. The effects of the applied social sciences vary, and they include increased awareness and knowledge of oneself and others, attitudes and value change, behavioral changes, and structural changes. So now let's move on to the awareness and knowledge. Through the applied social sciences, people have developed ways to understand one is self and the other people around. So counseling, for example, allow us to understand one's personality, including various problems and issues that may affect an individual. While social work, on the other hand, provides awareness and knowledge on community organizing and mobilization. They also inform awareness or communities about the important political, social, and economic issues that is affecting them. And last is communication. Help people to become more discerning about problems of country through television, radio, and newspapers, provide people information on the different issues faced by the country. Through media, people also became more aware of the social realities. So next is attitude and value change. The applied social sciences allow us to understand various social phenomena, and because of this, people can make significant changes in their attitudes and values to prevent the occurrence of various natural and social problems. So for example, the impact of climate change to society and its overarching effects on our country has become clearer and can easily be understood through the information communicated to us by media. Another example, social workers provide people affected by disasters training on how to become vulnerable to hazards, on what they should do before, during, and after a disaster. So, applied social scientists can communicate to the people the impact of these social and environmental phenomena through their understanding of the interaction of society, culture, and environment. Through the help of three major disciplines of applied social science, people who affected by disasters became more resilient and prepared in times of disasters. Next is behavioral change. Through risk assessment behavior, the prevention of a difficult situation from escalating into violence can be achieved. Risk risk assessment behavior experts assess warning signs and potential threats and propose possible strategies in response to act of coercion or threats of violence. So the applied social sciences also introduce us to the different political problems and issues confronting our country today. It also provided us solutions on how to address these political and social problems. So, for example, the broadcast communication can provide us information on other issues or on the issues of corruption and political problems that may or that affect us today. So, through effective communication, strategies, and political and social mechanisms, the applied social sciences practitioners can help in the peace talk process and in conflict resolutions and negotiations to achieve long-lasting peace in particular area or country. And in the last part is about the structural change. So the applied social sciences can help us comprehend the different social problems and its dynamics. And in the process, the applied social sciences provided us with the necessary tools and skills to propose alternative solutions. So some of these problems that the applied social sciences can address include various social and family-related problems like gender issues, overseas migration of overseas Filipino workers, domestic violence, single parenting, criminality, and substance abuse. So this can be done through the help of social workers, community organizers, and counselors who are willing to help individual and group members of society by providing them with alternative solutions, advice, guidance, and information on what they should do and how they should address the problems. Okay, so that is the end of our lesson. And for your activity, answer activity 1 essay. So you have to write a short essay that will explain the following the functions and purpose of the applied social sciences and its allied professions in the following aspects. So we have 1. Explain the important functions of the applied social sciences. 2. Discuss how a guidance counselor, social worker, and communication practitioner manifest the functions of the applied social sciences. 3. How do the applied social sciences processes provide benefits to individual members of the society? 4. How do the applied social sciences processes provide benefits to the community? And 5, how do the applied social sciences processes provide benefits of the society? And for your last assessment, this is true or false. So write true if the statement is correct and false if it is incorrect. So that's it for the day. Thank you for listening, grade 12. Just continue answering your modules and activities.